Welcome back to 4K Tech. Today we're going to do an unboxing of the Bose Home Speaker 500. Got my Ginzu. Let's get it open. Alright. Alright, looks like it comes with this nice felt that's over here. Nice. Okay, here it is. It's got the screen on front. Alright, well basically on the front here we have your power, your mute, your 1 through 6 preset, volume down, play and pause, plus up. You got your auxiliary and your Bluetooth. On the back here you have your power, and also on the very back of the end here, if you see, it's also got an auxiliary cable for your, I guess, your old type of phones. And what else we got in the box here? Okay, it does come with the little manuals. There's also an app that you could download. This also does have the built-in Alexa. And the last thing it has is the power cord. Let's get it fired up. Now, when you set up Alexa, you'll have to go into your Alexa app and add device. It's also there in the directions for you. Now, you're going to need to download the Bose Music app. Just follow the instructions on the screen here, and it will guide you through what you need to do. Okay, now I have already done all that. The quality on this speaker is amazing. Alexa, play Enya.
Shuffling songs by Enya on Amazon Music.
Alexa, pause. The quality of the speaker is definitely right up there with the Wave. If you ever owned a Wave radio, it's got that same quality sound. So thanks for watching.